Welcome back to another vlog. So I just wanted to turn the camera on really quick to let you know what I'm about to do. We're waiting for my daughter. She needs to hurry up. But we plan to go to Perimeter Mall to go to this store called Miss A. I do remember Miss A online only. So apparently she has 2 locations in the Atlanta area, which is Mall of Georgia or Duluth and Perimeter. So we're gonna go there to see what they got, and then whatever else. But I just wanted to start off the vlog really quick to let you know what we about to do. I know before I get where I'm going, because I'm not sure if I'll be able to talk. So at least I told y'all what I was doing. So and then I plan to go back to Trader Joe's to grab another bag of those funnel cake fries. And my friend from back home was telling me about these burgers. These burgers that, oh child, I can't think. I just went blank. These burgers that Trader Joe's sells. So I'm gonna see if they have those as well, because she did say they were seasonal. So we're gonna see. But my daughter needs to hurry up because, like, girl, Sunday, I think stuff closed either 6 or 7. And I'm not trying to, like, be rushed or anything. Having a Wawa pretzel for something to eat. I threw a snack in my bag. So I'll see you when we get there, because I know y'all don't want me chewing in your ear. If you from back home and never tried a Wawa pretzel, we can't be friends. We can't be friends, y'all. It's like, nah, I'm only playing. But if y'all live near a Wawa back home, get a Wawa pretzel. I'm telling you all, you would thank me later. I love my Wawa pretzels. So she just texted me and said she's coming now. So I'll see y'all when we get where we going. Look who's with me today, y'all. My little teeny twin. We in the mall. Here we go, Francesca. Let's turn you around. All right, I'll see y'all when we get to Miss A. Let me turn it. Damn, big bag. Oh. Where? I think it's this way. Is that Macy's down there? Yeah, they said it's by Macy's. I don't know. That's a good question.
You get a free building there.
What?
For your birthday, but you gotta pay the price for the age of that you're turning.
Yeah, that'd be $48.
I'm telling you, it'll be $19. You scared? No, that's cool.
Do this tap. Scan that. Okay, we finally made it to Miss A, y'all. When I tell you, it was so much stuff to look at, like so much. I tried to get as much footage as I could get. But y'all, I started off at the nail polish section because I needed some new nail polish because I do paint my own nails at home in between me getting my feet done. And as you can see, they have makeup, lip glosses, sponges, brushes. Like they just have so much stuff, you all. Like if you have daughters, oh my gosh, bring them there and let them just ball out. They even have press-on nails, they have lashes, they just have so much at this here Miss A store. And only reason why I didn't go crazy because if you don't know, I do work for Sephora. So I really didn't need to go crazy, but my daughter did get a few things that she needed. But other than that, y'all, the store is pretty cool. I like the perimeter location. My daughter said they have one in Cumberland Mall, and she said that one wasn't as nice as this one. So if you never been, I would highly recommend the perimeter, or I think it's one in Mall of Georgia. The only reason why I'm doing this here voiceover is because they were playing music, and I didn't want to get a copyright strike. So this is why I'm doing a voiceover. So I'm gonna let y'all enjoy. Oh, and by the way, they had bath bombs, y'all. They were giving me Lush vibes. Do you see that their section? Like, girl, like, do you see the bath bombs? Like, I wanted to go crazy, but again, I didn't need anything. But I just wanted to show y'all what they had for sale. But I do think she still have her website. So yeah. So I hope y'all enjoy. Okay, y'all, we are done at the mall. I didn't film too much because it was a lot of music playing, but we did go to Miss A and Ulta, and we got some.
I got these little eyebrow razors for my for hair on my face and my. I like to touch my brows up.
And then I got some soap sheets.
And then we got these magic makeup remover sticks. It's like the little Q-tips that you snap in half, and then the solution come down.
And then I got this here box cutter. It's a cute blade for opening packages. I got a charm for my crock
Touchland.
for my touchland. My daughter got some hair scrunchies.
Yeah, my hair is really done.
And then I got this here. What is this?
It's like a queen bee charm.
I got a queen bee because that's what I am, queen bee. And then I got some nail polish. And I think that was it. And that was like 9 something because everything's $1, right? And then we went to Ulta. I wanted to try that new foundation. This new foundation. I did get the shade 06.
And then I got me some press on wispy lashes.
And then I got this here NYX. It's called NYX Duck Plump. Yo, these here are really nice. I got the shade 11. So I'm gonna see how this stuff here works. But I don't know. I think we're going to Trader Joe's next so we can grab a few repeats because my daughter liked that
The funnel cake fries.
the funnel cake fries, y'all, and I'm gonna grab them because I'm sure they are seasonal. So I'm gonna get them and those burgers that my friend was telling me about. So I'm going to get those two.
The funnel cake fries are really good. You gotta put them in the air fryer.
Yes, and this
You
time don't
have to
leave
put
them.
them in the air fryer.
This time don't leave them in that long.
It's because I left them in there when I was preheating them.
So I'll see you when we get to Trader Joe's.